As Canberrans welcome in the autumn months with festivals, shows and continuing freedoms, the ACT's case numbers are rising again.
There's a slight trend upwards at the moment, but I think that's people really heeding the advice and testing.
After an unexpected spike to over 1,000 on Wednesday, Canberra's cases are back to 794 today, but that's still higher than earlier this week. The ANU outbreak, however, which had at least 800 cases linked to the residential halls, appears to be slowing down.
ANU are doing a sterling job in ensuring that that doesn't spread any further, and indeed the case rate over recent days have dropped significantly.
While the rest of Canberra gets back to some form of normal, parents with kids in childcare centres are still feeling the burden of quarantine rules.
Starting January, Leo has been a high-risk close contact 5 times. So to spell it out, that essentially means that Leo has been in quarantine for 5 weeks.
Being forced to stay home means some parents are without work for weeks at a time.
There's nothing worse than being put in a position with your spouse. Okay, who has to stay home? Who's not getting paid this week?
Staff in the sector are also struggling to keep up.
We need to get to the same position as education is, so you do a test, if you're negative you can return, because at the moment we've got educators where 2 or 3 may be having to isolate for 7 days.
So Health has given advice to the Education Directorate about how we may move forward to better align and not have to necessarily quarantine so many people.
An announcement by the ACT government on the easing of these quarantine restrictions is expected soon. And in the latest update today, 5 to 11-year-olds who received their first dose of a vaccine at the beginning of this year will be eligible to get their second dose from Monday. Emma Thompson, ABC News, Canberra.